Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, your boy Ned from Ned's Tech Bits with some crud I got from eBay China with free shipping. The WanLE 7080. Maybe that's supposed to say 1080. I don't know. But seriously, interestingly enough, look at this case. Usually I get things from China and it's just like the unit. There's no casing around it at all. So I'm really impressed with this. I got this for $5 free shipping from China. You know, say what you want about the Chinese, but the fact that they can send this for free is just wow. Like, really, holy, good job. So as you can see, it comes with an iPhone 6. I'm just kidding, that's mine, of course. Anyways, this is for the iPhone 6, but there are multiple other ones. Anyone who has gone to the dollar store and gotten that, like, 1001 video game system will recognize this pretty quickly. It ain't so bad. I mean, for the money I paid for it. Seeing on how cool it is, I'm almost surprised they didn't slap Game Boy on there somewhere. It definitely looks like a Game Boy. Fly, little kid, fly. Yeah, if you hit something, the kid flies. Fly, little kid, fly. Good stuff. I'm sure this is bringing back memories for everybody. And I can't be the only one who has used one of these before. So it's not really 99 games. Let's see. Come on. 99 and 1. Yep. Yeah, this one's this first, yeah, you gotta press that button to get it going. Oh no. There we go. Okay, so maybe I still haven't quite figured this out yet still. Oh, tank, this is my favorite one. Oh my god, you can actually see the projectiles in this. I have a hard time seeing it with my eye, but I'm looking at it through the video camera. I see it without much of a problem. Man, I was ripping this stuff up the first round I was playing it. Now it's like I can't win to save my life. Oh, I just walked right into that one. It's kind of hard when they only give you so much of a screen though, right? Oh, yeah, that's how I did it. If you can keep them on all four corners, you seem to be okay. Anyways, the other ones, of course, it gives you a little show about what you're going to be playing. You shoot the stuff, you race past the stuff, okay, I haven't figured this one out yet. In this one, you're shooting. Actually, let's try that one. I don't mind that one so much. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot see the projectile. Apparently, there is a projectile going on there, but I cannot see it. But as a game case, this thing is really nice. Even if I'm not going to be playing it very often. You know, maybe you get some kids that want to play it. Oh my goodness, think about it. You could be playing your game on here, or you could be playing your game on here. I remember I went on vacations. I always had the Game Boy or Game Gear, and that was such a big deal. Man, even if I would have had this back in the day, that would have been okay. Long times driving in like a 24-year-old Crown Victoria rusted out that just barely made it from one side of the USA to the other. My God, how did we survive back in that day? Anyways, let me bust that thing out. Actually, first I want to see how the camera does on this thing. Where is the camera? Because look how deep-seated in that thing is, right? Nope, doesn't seem to affect it at all that I notice anyways. Looks just fine. Anywho. As a case, I really recommend this because, man, it fits in there super snug and it actually feels like it belongs in there. It takes one CR2032. It is smudge-proof, explosion-proof, and hard drive screen. So yes, this thing will never explode. Man, if you're in an explosive area, this thing will make it through, no problem. We got a relatively thick amount of plastic, or at least aggregate material, whatever you want to call it, between either end. It just feels wrong to play it this way. Like, I understand, but it just kind of feels wrong. I wonder if there's a way I can look and see under the hood. Actually, now that I'm looking, it doesn't look like it's all that difficult. Let me pry with this for... Alright, so it took some prodding, some fighting, and some crying, but I managed to get her open. Check this out. There's really not a lot to this. There's just a little chip, and little buttons, speaker, of course, buttons, and the LED screen. So I was rude when I ripped this thing out. I did not do an easy job. But you want to know what's really cool? Check this out. The thing actually still turns on. Say what you will about cheap technology, but the fact that this thing survives a very rude teardown says a lot about the technology, especially the fact that it's $5. Man, that's freaking inspiring almost. I'll tell you what, Bobby. This definitely isn't the kind of thing I'd usually have on my phone case, but I just gotta respect the tech. Respect the tech. Look at what they managed to do with so little money. Or for so little money. Let me get this back in there. Okay. Should just clip back down. Anyways, that's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Have a good one. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciated. And take care of each other.